Hey friends, Laura here today with the Mom Edit, here to talk about some fall shoes, some boots, some sneakers, some favorites of mine that I'm getting so excited to wear soon. Fall is my season, summer. I love the fun summer activities. Fashion-wise though, fall is it for me. I'm stoked to get back to layering and boots and high tops. I mean, I wear my high tops all year round, but even more in the fall. So let's check out some looks. Okay, first up are these gorgeous knee boots from Schutz brand, and I've had these knee boots for a while now and recently styled them up for Saks too, and they are just a really chic, beautiful knee boot. They do have a bit of a heel, but they are still comfortable enough. I've worn them to weddings and stuff. They have just, they're just an outfit maker. You can put on a simple black dress or something kind of basic on top, and then these boots just kick it up a notch. And they're just really, I don't know, there's just something kind of luxe and chic about them that I really love. The dark chocolate brown, I love pairing that with black because I'm not a huge fan of just all black or all brown. I really like mixing blacks and browns together. They're just a phenomenal boot, and they're cute with black skirts, dresses, a variety of stuff. That's what I've mostly worn them with because I tend to have a lot of black in my wardrobe, but they're awesome, true to size. They're beautiful boots. Yeah, I love them. Next up, to mix it up a bit, I got recently these new white high tops. They're an Italian brand called Diadora, I believe. I got them from Banana Republic, but they are a freaking phenomenal high top. If you are a high top fan, they were comfy right out of the box and they look super cool. I'm a little obsessed with Italian sneakers, I will admit. And these are really awesome. They do not disappoint. They're so comfy. I wore them to see Slater-Kinney and Courtney Barnett right out of the box the other night to a show, and they were super comfy the whole time. There was no break-in period, and they're just really rad. I'm wearing them with my cropped comfy pants right now. They look cute with dresses too, and I don't know, I'm just a high top fanatic, so I love them. And these are one of my favorite recent purchases, so they're very rad. I will probably be wearing them with my Viore joggers and leggings and stuff too when it gets a little cooler again, but for now I'm wearing them with my cool, just breezy wide leg kind of crop pants, and I think I put them on with some shorts the other day too. They're just really great. I'm in love, and I will be wearing them all fall as well because I love a white high top. Amber, do you want to say hi to everybody? I have a helper. Whenever I start talking to the camera, she can't leave me alone. She has to be a part of it. All right, so next up are the frame lug-sole, amazing lightweight boots. These were from the Nordstrom sale as well. Amy loves them, Shayna loves them, and I'm showing these because they are such a chunky lug sole but super lightweight. I don't know how they did it. This upper is stretchy, but it is leather. I don't know. Frame makes amazing boots if you've not owned any from them before. They're so phenomenal. I've had trouble finding the right chunky boot that I've wanted to wear the last few years, and I've found some okay options, but I'm really stoked about this pair. They look great with full-length jeans, whether they're a black wash, which I usually go to for a black boot. I love a black wash with a black boot, but they're also working well with my Moosey vintage jeans that I adore too, and look super cute with those. They're true to size, so comfy. They're kind of bouncy and airy. I don't know. They're phenomenal, and I can see why Amy and Shayna love them so much, and now I do too. And I'm looking forward to styling them up more. I think Shayna had them on with a skirt or dress, and it looked super cute as well because of the type of the narrow stretch ankle is really great on the leg too, which is cool, and it doesn't rub, which is amazing. These again were also perfect right out of the box, and I can't wait to style them up some more ways. But for now, I'm loving them with a whole layered up look, which is what I live for in fall. Especially give me a trench coat and a striped sweater. So phenomenal. Next up are the beautiful Veronica beard, like gorgeous caramely suede kitten heel pointed toe Chelsea boots that I got from the Nordstrom sale. They're just the most lovely color shade of caramel. They're a walkable heel, but they have that chic pointed toe and kitten heel that still, like, you know, makes the outfit look really, I don't know, they just say like the epitome of fall to me between the color and the chicness. I love them with my plaid theory suit. Looks so good with that. I've also worn them with full-length jeans and they're super cute with that too. They're so lovely, comfortable, right out of the box. They're an investment piece for sure, but I have already styled them up a bunch of ways and I'm excited to wear them this fall. I will also include the suede protector that I use because I love suede boots and I live in a rainy climate and that doesn't always go together. So, and I always get asked about that. I just respray mine with protectant fairly often, you know, every few months or so when I remember. But I always spray them right out of the box when I decide that I'm gonna keep them. And yeah, they're like, the color is so beautiful and spot on. And again, they're walkable, so I love these. I'll actually really wear them. And like I said, they're just, I'm finding them really easy to style up already. And they're a beautiful boot. And lastly, but definitely not least, my new Checkered high top Vans that I am freaking in love with. I have been looking for a pair of high top Checkered Vans for a while and it seems like the older pairs always would sell out. I was looking for some blue ones for a while but then I saw these red ones and I am just smitten, and like I said, I'm addicted to high tops. They're just like that sporty vibe that I love, and I love mixing them with my preppy pieces or my non-sporty pieces or whatever to make kind of interesting looks. I'm still playing around with styling with these, but right now I'm loving them with my like a cropped wide leg comfy pant, knitted pant, and then just like this cozy black t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. I've also got like a little cropped tee underneath here that would be cute as we transition, and we're still in really hot weather here, but I'm looking forward to kind of doing some different playing around with them as we get in cooler weather and wearing them with my jeans and stuff. They look great with shorts. I've been wearing them with my bike shorts and stuff this summer and they've been super fun and cute, and they'd be cute with skirts and dresses. But yeah, I'm still, like I said, still playing around with them, but I love them. They're super comfy, true to size. Little high tops tip, if you're not like going on a long walk, I love styling my high tops with the laces a little bit looser and not super tight. They just, I don't know, it gives it that kind of cool vibe that, you know, everything's not just all tied up super tight. I don't know, that's just me, and I can slip them on and off too, which is what I am typically doing all day long when I'm in and out and just, you know, running errands or whatever. Obviously, if you're doing loads of walking, you can tighten them up, but I just love how they kind of look with that kind of looser laces on there. All right, so that's it for today for me, and we will, as always, link up everything I've styled with all the shoes here below. If you hit show more, it'll show you all the pieces, and you can even look by segment. And then if you enjoy seeing stuff from us, from the Mom Edit, be sure to subscribe and like below, and I will see you next time. Thanks for being here.